actually so excited for today's episode of the vlog. We're finally going, and we're gonna build the overhead shooting rig. So this is taking place like damn near exactly, like the exact same time that yesterday's video ended. I was almost not gonna be able to do this because it had just started downpouring, but I guess it was only like a couple minutes because it is, I mean, if you can see, it is perfect out. But we do got church bells playing some kind of Christmas music. I think I finally got Remy to like me. Yeah, yeah. This is Remy, right? This is Remy. So, Remy's been scared of me and barks at me every single time I go near her. However, like maybe an hour ago while yesterday's video was exporting, I came over and I was like, just let me pet you. I had my hand out, I was like, let me pet you. Every other dog ran up and protected Remy. And I showed her, I'm no threat. I'm no foe, I am friend. But I'm actually quite hyped to finally be able to build this thing. I took all the measurements that I needed on my actual desk, because the whole point of this is this rig is gonna sit when I'm using it on my actual desk at home. So I have all the plans. I need a 10-foot piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe. You know, the fittings. The only thing I'm probably not gonna have is some of the screws and stuff, along with the ball head. The ball head I'm gonna have to order because that's something that I really want, but also don't technically need. And I do have some shittier ones, and stuff like the bolts and stuff I don't think I'm gonna have, so because I'm at my uncle's house right now, on my way back to my house, I'll probably pick the screw and washers up, because that's all I need, and I think in total it's maybe a single $1. I might even have the bolt and stuff at my house. For my old vlog setup, I kind of makeshift a little ball head for my Sony camera setup, but I'm so excited. Let's get to building. Ten foot, 1/2-inch, ready. I gotta get all the way back to fitting land. Where's all the 1-inch, 1/2-inch? Where are all of these black bins? Already don't think we're gonna have any of what I need. Maybe in here I see 1 or 2. Oh shit. Shit, this is okay. I didn't think this was, but this definitely is. So this is the plan we got. Gonna connect 2 15-inch poles, 2 24-inch, 25, wait, this is 25, this is 24. I think it's 25-inch for the sides, and then 1 big 25-inch for the top. And then along with 4 end caps, 2 T's, and then 2 corners. Let's hope I have what I need. That's not a corner. Corner, that's not a corner. There we go, 2 corners. This is too long to go in the truck. I need to cut it. I can theoretically just cut it into, because I need 3 25-inch pieces. Now I do have this shear cutter, but you can get a cutter for like $10 or use a mini saw for $5. Whatever you prefer. Now, I did have listed on my paper that So 25 inches for the sides, and then 25 for the top. However, based on how much pipe I had, I could expand it. So I might go 30 inches on top, because I have the leftover pipe to use. 41 inches, yeah, that's plenty. So technically I could go like 35 even, but we'll be smart. Yeah, let me cut the 30 inches first. Nice. So this will get cut in half. That's the feet. These are the legs. And then this is the base. That's a much better base. So it's gonna end up being something like this. That's actually like really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, here, I got like 40 minutes until they close. One inch, these 1 inch, 1 inch too, so like 2 of those, caps. Got everything I need. The end caps, the tees. So this is my workshop for the night. So this is what I had originally grabbed, but this is what I needed. So I got the 2 sides. Those are basically done. Have the top piece. That goes on, that's almost done. Now we just got the legs, which I need to, I thought I was gonna need to cut it in half, but I'm gonna need to cut it in 4ths. Here we go. 7.5. This is such a jank-ass way to do this. 1. 2. There we go. Holy hell, this is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So there's basically the shape of it and the premise. So then basically now I'm going to drill right in the middle, put my screw in, and then put my Swiss plate on. So then either, yeah, put the camera on and it's shooting directly down. Oh shit. There we go. Okay, well, we'll take it from there. We're gonna measure it, we're gonna put the screw in, and then I do have black spray paint, so I'm debating if I want to spray paint it even. I could definitely do that. But overall, from the initial drawing, it's pretty spot on. Okay, we are here. This is the next day. I literally just went and I grabbed the very last pieces we need. 1 1/4 by 2 inch screw, and then 2 washers, and then a wing nut. I was gonna grab a couple wing nuts because I need them for my backdrop stand, but I half want to make a new one of those too, so I was gonna wait to get one of those. However, we're gonna go assemble it, see how well it works, and then we're gonna paint it, and then we're going to show it off. Okay. So this is everything I need. This is something that I might use. Here's the actual overhead rig. So I have 1/4 by 2 inch screw, 1 out of 2 1/4 washers. Goes in through the hole like that. Oh, very nice. Washer number 2 goes in the back side. 1/4 nut screws on. locks everything else in place. You can do it by hand, or I swear to God, happen to have this on my desk. There we go. Oh, that's not going anywhere. And the wing nut to finish it all off. There we go. Now for this instance, we're going to turn it around just so the bolt's facing me. Now this always this just depends on the camera you have. I'm gonna use my Sony NEX F3. There we go, get it tight, nice into place. Yeah, first thing I'm gonna do to upgrade this is definitely get a ball head with a quick release plate on it. What's actually cool is right now on Amazon, the Joby Gorilla Pod 3K kit ball head is on sale for 30 bucks. That's just about as much as you'd pay for any standard, like, cheap knockoff ball head. So that's really good. I'm gonna pick up like 2 or 3 of these for this, for any C-stands I have. Here we go, so once it's on, turn it on, and there you go. You have your own full overhead shooting rig. Now I'm actually so happy I made it a little bit bigger. So right now each leg is 15 inches cut in half to fit inside the 1-inch T. In it we have 2 for the legs, 2 25-inch pieces, and then this long piece I believe is 35 inches with 1 screw down the middle. Well, either 35 or 36 inches, something like that. But that's actually really sick. And the only reason I have it like this is so you have the screen for me. Now, one other adjustment I was going to make, like if you have these cheap clamps, you could, because it already has holes in it, you could put a 1/4 hole into it, mount it like that, or on the side, you can attach a microphone to it, an external monitor, so you can easily record. Now this is actually sick. I could show off all my knickknacks and doodads. Get yourself a camera with a good autofocus. That's nice. I don't know why, that makes me so happy just having this now. I'm so glad I went with the extra length. Oh my God. Because that's the one thing I was worried about, was you're gonna get the feet in the frame. Now obviously you could modify this to your liking. So obviously measure your space that you're gonna use this in first. But this is nice. That is sick. So now this will be great for like animations, any drawing stuff, kind of like the weight loss thing we did. This will be sick for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave the link to a little digital thing I made for this, and I love you guys to death. I upload every day, so see you every day. Stay green.